Do you like money? Of course you do. You wouldn't be here if you didn't. Well, this is a new way for you to make money referring Replo to brands and agencies that need to build landing pages for their Shopify stores. Welcome to the Replo Partner Program. This is the easiest way for you to start making money just sharing Replo with the people that need it most. From the partner page, all you have to do is hit become a partner. And from there, you will be asked to make an account. There, you can log into your existing account, or if you don't have an account yet, just hit sign up now and then put in your name. I am a brand and I heard about Replo from friends. Hit create account. And once you're in your account, getting to the partner dashboard is super simple. Just click on the partner dashboard and you're going to see your unique referral code, how much money you have coming in, how many people you referred, and the specific stores that you have referred. From here, if you want to see the same information that we have on our webpage about the partner program, all of that information is listed here, including the different tiers and the payment terms for each of the tiers. So if you're an affiliate, if you're just getting started, you get 20%. And then as you start referring more and more folks, you are able to unlock more and more revenue for yourself. So if you love Replo and you want to share it with your audience or with your friends or with your clients, this is a great way for you to do so. Once you're inside, you're rocking and rolling, you're like, okay, how do I get my payouts? We have a lovely little payouts tab where you can just put in your PayPal email and we will be able to automatically distribute your earnings every single month. And then lastly, as you get going, as you start building out all of the referrals, maybe you're running ads, maybe you've got a newsletter, we have a press kit that you can download our logos from. We've got the pricing sheet that you can refer folks to, and all of our documentation readily available from your partner dashboard to give to the people that you are referring Replo to make that process so much easier so you can get paid that much faster. So once again, we want to thank you for being a part of the Replo Partner Program, and we cannot wait to see how big of a community you build and how much money you earn through this program.